Start.
2 to the power x minus 1, and next one is the 4 to the power x minus 1. So we will get the two factors in the numerator divided by x square. This x square is separate, 1x for this and 1x for this. Therefore limit of x tends to 0, 2 to the power x minus 1 divided by x and 4 to the power x minus 1 divided by x. By algebra of a limit is separate out. Limit of x tends to 0, 2 to the power x minus 1 divided by x into limit of x tends to 0, 4 to the power x minus 1 divided by x. Now from this result is here log 2 into log of 4. Log a into log b is equal to log a plus b. That is equal to log of 6 is the answer of this example. How much time is it?
1 मिनिट झाला.
And again starting.
बॅटरी गेली ना, मग ती काढली, ते झालं. आता सुरू केला तर 1 मिनिट झाला ना, तेवढं कंप्लीट व्हायला.
मला आपला तोच व्हिडिओ कंटिन्यू राहील.
नाही ना, किती वेळ लागतो नंतर.
Limit of logarithmic function. For solving the limit of logarithmic function, this result is most important. That formula, if limit of x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x divided by x is equal to 1. On this we will take some examples. Example 1. Find the limit of x tends to 0, 1 plus 5x divided by 7 into 1 by x. See here that the coefficient of x, it is 1 by x to the power 1 by x. So coefficient of x is 5 by 7 and its power is 1 by 7. It is exactly 7 by 5 just needed for solving this problem. Therefore the limit of x tends to 0, 1 plus 5x divided by 7 to the power 7 by 5 to the power 1 by x multiply 7 by 5 into 5 by 7 to the denominator. Next is limit of x tends to 0, 1 plus 5x divided by 7. 5 is multiplied here, that is 7 by 5x into 5 by 7. As the result, limit of x tends to 0, 1 plus 5x 5 by 7x into 7 by 5x multiplied by 5 by 7. This result is a log e, that is equal to this result is e. Not written this formula. This result is e, not this is the third formula. Limit of logarithmic function. Second formula, if limit of x tends to 0, formula was wrong. 1 plus x to the power 1 by x is equal to e. This is the correct formula. Therefore, the limit of x tends to 0, this bracket value is e to the power 5 by 7 is the answer. This example for the exponential function of second formula. This is the exponential function of second formula. Now last one is the logarithmic function. Logarithmic function, the formula is, third formula for this, limit of x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x divided by x is equal to 1. We will take the example on this. Evaluate log of 1 plus 5x divided by x divided by x. Limit of x tends to 0. Limit of x tends to 0. Evaluate. This function of a limit can be written as 1 by x log of 1 plus 5x. If m log of x is given, then it will be log of x to the power m. Since if m log of x is equal to log of x to the power m, this formula is applied here. Now limit of x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x is equal to 1. Now simply here coefficient of x is here 5. Here must be a coefficient of x is 5. Therefore log of 1 plus 5x in the power multiply and divide by 5. Therefore limit of x tends to 0, log of 1 plus 5x. So 5 is multiplied by denominator, it will be a 5x. Then limit of x tends to 0, log of 1 plus 5x to the power 1 by 5x whole to the power 5. But according to formula, this is e. If limit of log of 1 plus x to the power 1 by x, then it is the e. So example, from here log is out of limit. Therefore it will be a log of limit of x tends to 0. Here is log of e. Therefore answer is 5, because log e is equal to 1. Okay, we will finish here.